Look, then you can see where you're going.
Here you go.
Then you can see what I'm doing with this knife. I don't think we're going to make it to the chainsaw, guys. It's going to be all night. But then 8, 3, 2, 1. Oh, no, change my mind. Oh, can't swear, the kids can't watch it. There we go, let's chop it, chop and drop. There's the chopping part. Pretty much there. Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh, wait.
We're doing it time.
I've changed my mind again. Hold on. I keep changing my mind. I'm going to chop your head off. Hey, he's a keeper. He didn't even flinch, mate. He's a keeper.